If you think all new construction homes look the same, this one's going to change your mind. Hi, I'm Elizabeth Willard with Sirhan, and I would like to welcome you up to 5391 Clubhouse Hills Estate in the beautiful gated in South Lakeland. This home has it all as far as upgrades and move-in ready. It has the motorized screened-in lanai. It has the sound system. It has the upgraded landscaping. It has plantation shutters throughout, garage storage, and of course all the luxe finishes that you would see in a Holbert home and more. So if you're interested in seeing this home, this move-in ready home, contact Elizabeth Willard with Sirhan, and let's get you in this new home.